The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch?
Big up on yourself, my people. You don't know it's your boy Tony Bless. And let me say before I go any further, congratulations to Joe Biden and Kamala Harris and being elected the next president and vice president of the great United States of America. Whoa, 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 whoa. Big up yourself. I am especially proud because Kamala Harris have some Jamaican heritage in her. So me big up her for that. I'm a proud Jamaican. But all of that proudness is kind of overshadowed at the fact that the Jamaican father never did a fear. The Jamaican papa never did a fear. See me? So my celebration, you know, me happy, but at the same time, me sad. Me sad. And me see a growing trend on social media bashing Kamala Harris because, you know, when she was giving her victory speech, she never make mention of her father. Bro, what do you expect when you walk out of the picnic life at the age of 5 years old? 5 years old, you turn your back on your picnic and you never look back from then. I expect now she hold the highest office a woman has ever held in American politics. And you expect to get credit? You must see out of your damn mind. I want to know all the time as fathers, you know. Don't turn on the back on the children no matter what. Stand up and fight for your children. And this is a prime example of what will happen. I'm see when I bash her tell her about, she forget about her Jamaican side. What Jamaican side? She don't know nothing about Jamaican side. The father that should have been there to teach her about her Jamaican heritage and culture, you understand? And so she can embrace it as much as she embraced her Indian culture. He was absent. Nowhere to be found. I could understand if a man did pop down and never have no money and broke and the man was a top professor at some Ivy League universities here in America. And at the age of 5, he after losing custody hearing, turn him back on him children them. Turn him back on him children them. Brother, even if you lose the custody hearing, here in America, you have visitation. That's your right. Nobody can take that from you, bro. See me? Take your visitation. Take your visitations when a year time. But never turn it back on your children then, bro. I know she hold the highest office. And I'm here as a Jamaican father. And I can't ever celebrate with you and say, yeah, one of we win. One of we stand up and push our children to the highest pinnacle. You understand? And we win. Can't even do that, bro. See me I say? I'm telling you all the time, you know, yo. I'm telling you all. Me dead for my pitting them, you know. Me with dead for my pitting them. And everybody know me. Know say, yo, me have a triplet girl. Me have a next daughter in Jamaica. So me I say, me is a girl dad up until this point. Me have a son on the way, finally. But I am a girl dad. So me I say, me will lay me head, me neck on the chopping block to fight for my youth them. My youth them never got too far from me yet. Me make sure of that. See me? Me make sure of that. No matter what me and them mother have, me always know my opinion in them life. See me? Yo, me upset. Me upset. Me not telling a lie. Me upset. Because him don't deserve it. Him don't deserve it. And you can't be mad at Kamala for not making mention of her dad. You just can't. No matter how you want to spin it, you can't. So me I say, fathers, if you play on a role, stop leave all of the responsibilities and the mom to take care of the children by themselves. She did not make her by herself. See me? And the man have money. The man have money and he was a professor. He might have brains. See me? But he turned his back on his children. And now she's successful. I don't want her to turn the back of her eye and look back on him. You know what I'm saying? What I don't mind. Big up on yourself, my God.
Alright, viewers and subscribers. Just to make things be very clear, I just presented to you a video that shows a person who said that he goes by the name of Tony Bless, you see? And he said some things that gave me the understanding that he's talking about a female who is the first female to be elected Vice President of United States of America in the history of United States of America presidential election. You see me? Now, he also said some things that gave me the understanding that he's talking about something that is said to be trending on social media, where it is said that the female who goes by the name of Miss Harris did not mention her Jamaican father during a certain speech that some persons might call a victory speech that happened after United States of America 2020 presidential election. Now, first things first, you see, I agree 100% with the thing where he's saying that fathers should take care of their child or children. You understand? It might not be word for word as to how he had said it, but I understand what he's saying and I agree with that. You see what I say? Now, when it comes on to the whole thing that is being said on social media, that Miss Harris' father did not take care of her when she was a child and all these things, you see me? When it comes on to that part, you see me I say? I believe that in a 50-50%. You see me? The reason why is because I did not hear those words from her mouth saying that her father didn't take care of her. No, I didn't hear it from her mouth. That's to my understanding. See me? When I hear that, then it's a different thing. Now, if Miss Harris says from her mouth that her father did not take care of her, then I will believe it up to 90%. You understand? And this is the reason why. You see? Sometimes you have parents, when they are going through some stuff, one parent might give the child or the children the wrong idea about the other parent. You see me? I've heard of stories where a child or our children have been told by the mother or the father that their mother or their father was not in their life or did not care about them and them things, when according to the story it was not so. Now, I am not saying that it is not true, and I'm not saying that it is true that Miss Harris's father did not take care of her. No, I do not know. But I'm saying that until I hear those words or until I hear this from her mouth, then I will more likely to have a stronger belief. Yes, I mean, I said depending upon the things that the person who goes by the name of Miss Harris says and evidences. You understand me? So, me listen to some of the things that the person who said that he goes by the name of Tony Bless said. You understand? And when it comes on to the part where we talk about fathers to take care of their children or their child, I agree with that 100%. Yes, I mean, I say 100%. It's just that this thing that is being talked about on social media about Miss Harris's father not taking care of her, I never hear Kamala Harris said that from her mouth, for myself, you see me? So until me hear Miss Harris said that, for myself, it's going to be a 50-50, you see me? Because I also see pictures on social media that claims to be Miss Harris with her mother and her father, and maybe one or maybe two of these pictures shows her with a man that claims to be her father on social media from she's young and even when she's an adult. You see what I said to you? So maybe people have spread all different kind of accusations and assumptions and allegations. You see what I say? Because I saw things go sometimes, you know. You see me? So until I hear Miss Harris say certain things, I'm not going to say it's true or not. No, that's not me. That's not how I work. Maybe she had said it some other ways or, you know, at some other time, but I did not hear it. You see me? I'm just tell you what I know. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media and I bring it to you so that you can hear some of the things that Tony Bless said. You see me I say? And more you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look, listen to some of the things that he had said, and you can also tell me what you think about some of the things that he had said. Alright? Now with that, I'm going to move on to another topic right about now. You see me? And with that, I'm going to put together and present to you 2 pieces of videos that are out on social media. And according to what had been said about these 2 pieces of videos that are out on social media, it is said that a landslide happened within the country that is known as St. Kitts and Nevis. You see me? And it is said that this had happened within the month of November, the year 2020. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present these 2 pieces of videos to you. But before I present these 2 pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these 2 pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here are the 2 pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
To be honest, either one is fine. What I would recommend to you guys is that they have a
Oh my God! Oh God! Everything's
Stay on the ground now.
Hey, then why they looking at you? What they?
Oh, maybe I'll call it back.
Yeah,
don't watch it.
Now, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that there are more informations out there about this whole thing, where it is said that a landslide happened within the place that is known as St. Kitts and Nevis. Is what I'm saying to you? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.